Hello everyone, this section will explain the OPC UA driver of SOLISCADA software. As the client side of OPC UA, how to obtain data from an OPC UA server and access to the SOLISCADA database. First, let's learn about OPC UA. OPC UA full name OPC Unified Architecture. It is a data exchange standard for industrial automation communication, enabling communication between different devices and systems. This allows various devices and systems to communicate and share data with each other, thus achieving more efficient industrial automation. Its features include 5 aspects: interoperability, reliability, security, flexibility, and standardization. Due to these 5 characteristics, OPC UA has now become an international standard and has been widely used worldwide. Various automation manufacturers are integrating OPC UA into their products. In the SOLISCADA software has a client-side driver module for OPC UA. Open the software. You can see some configuration interfaces of the driver. During practice, CAP server software can be used to simulate the OPC UA server side. To do a test on the driver's configuration interface, there are several parts: the name of the OPC UA server, which can be customized, and the address of the OPC server needs to be entered. The format of the address is a specific format. There is a prompt for this format in our system. Has a specific format. Then the next step is the connection method or login method, authentication method. We can use an anonymous way, or choose the account password method, or a certificate method to log into the OPC server to establish a data connection. After successfully connecting to the OPC UA server on the interface of the OPC driver module, the driver will automatically enumerate variables. The data of variables is listed here. Users can choose as needed. Check the data you need to access. After checking, you can access this data to the MySQL database to achieve data collection and storage. The above is a simple explanation. Are some precautions for use. The IP and port of the OPC service need to be filled in the correct format. The second point is, ensure that the account and password are correct. There are 2 exercises behind. What are the differences between OPC UA and OPC DA? How to add a prefix to tags when importing tags in OPC UA driver. Next, I will briefly demonstrate the usage of OPC UA driver. First, we open an example project. Enter the engineer's account name and password. Right-click on this subproject. Select Open from Configuration Server. Double-click to select the database node and open the database configuration interface. Right-click and select Add Driver. Select the OPC UA node. Double-click to add it. Double-click the OPC UA node. Click Add Service. Enter the name of the server and enter the server's IP address and port here. Fill in according to the actual situation. Now this demo is a service of OPC UA. So I'll fill in 127.0.0.1. The default port number is 18399. The login mode can be to select a username or anonymous login, so I choose anonymous login. OK, the connection is successful. Click the Tag tab. It will automatically enumerate all the variables. Then, according to our needs, we can select the corresponding variables. Import it to our database. Then the OPC UA connection is successfully established.